Hello dear students. Today I'm going to explain you chapter number 21 in your book, that is adverb. So first of all we start with the what is adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb or adjective. Here's the definition, that is an adverb is a word that describes a verb or adjective. Here, now let us read first these sentences. Rajat was drinking water slowly. Shipra lives downstairs. We will go to Nagpur tomorrow. The bus is sometimes late. Here you can see the words which are in bold are adverbs. How? Let us go with the definition that an adverb is a word that describes an action. Here, action means it tells us how, where, when, and how often an action takes place. Again, back to the example, starts with Rajat was drinking water slowly. It means how he drink water, how an action take place in the first sentence. How he drink water, that means he drinks water slowly. So here the question arises with the how. So whenever that how question arises, that means that goes with the word adverb. Same like Shipra lives downstairs. Where Shipra live? Where does the Shipra lives? So here downstairs. We will go to Nagpur tomorrow. When you will go to Nagpur tomorrow, and the bus is sometimes late. It means how often the bus is late, like sometimes. So here the words which are in bold, that is adverb. It means an adverb is a word that describes an action and it tells us how, where, when, and how often an action takes place. Now, there are four types of adverb. One is adverb of manner, then adverb of place, then adverb of time, and then adverb of frequency. Here, four types are there, and each type tells us different thing. Starts with the adverb of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place. Here you need to learn about the how an action takes place. The adverb may be placed before or after the verb. Here you can see in the example, slowly she walked home. Here first word is the adverb and the band played the music loudly. Here last one. It means that may be placed before or after the verb. But here what is that? That is how an action takes place. That is the adverb of manner. Here she walked home slowly. How she walked home? How? So answer is slowly. The band played the music. How the band played the music? That is loudly. So the words like slowly, loudly, boldly, bravely, calmly, carefully, cheerfully, gladly, easily, in which ly is there, so that the words are adverb of manner. The next one is adverb of place. That means an adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. Here we need to learn the word where. It means where the words which shows where or which shows the question answer of question where. So that is adverb of place. That is they were skipping outside in the garden. So here outside is the adverb of place. The wind blew the leaves everywhere. It means everywhere is the adverb of place. So the words like above, next door, out, outside, behind, below, somewhere, there, up, underground, insides, east, away, back, these words shows that the word is adverb of place and shows or gives the answer of question where. Next is adverb of time. An adverb of time tells us when an action took place. Now here when we need to learn. The examples are: we went to watch a match last night. The teacher gave us some homework yesterday. So here the words which gives the answer to the question when, then the word is go with the adverb of time. For example, first, always, now, monthly, finally. These are the words that shows the time. So that are the adverb of time. Now the last, adverb of frequency, that means how often the action or an action takes place, and adverb of frequency tells us how often an action takes place. Like, he always goes for swimming on Sundays. She sometimes sleeps in the afternoon. So these are the words that shows how often an action that take place. So that is adverb of frequency. The words like weekly, monthly, regularly, occasionally, normally, generally, these are the words that shows that is the how often an action takes place. So these all four types of adverbs are there with the definition. An adverb is a word that describes an action, and for the action it tells us how, where, when, and how often an action takes place. Thank you.